What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're going to unbox and get a close-up look at the brand new Fast and Furious Premium 5-car set. This video has been brought to you by GraniteToys.com. Granite Toys is the one that supplied this premium 5-car set, and if you guys want to pick up your own, make sure you check out the links in the description down below. On the back of each card, you'll see the actual main car in the top left corner and then the other 4 remaining cars. Car number 1 is the Nissan Skyline GTR BN R34. Car number 2 of 5 is the Nissan Silvia S15. Car number 3 of 5 is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. Car number 4 of 5, my personal favorite of this set, the Lamborghini Gallardo LP570-4 Superleggera. And last but not least, car number 5 of 5, the Nissan Skyline GTR BN R32. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this 5-car set, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.